Today you will be learning how you can easily update Spotify on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you'll have to swipe up on your screen and you'll have to tap on gear icon to head over to the settings of your phone. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way to the app section, then tap on apps, and in this list you'd have to find Spotify, and you'll have to scroll down all the way. Once you have got Spotify, you will have to tap on Spotify like this. Now you'll have to tap on storage section, and then you'll have to tap on clear cache. Basically it will help you clear all the cache files that are just taking space on your phone, nothing else. And you'll have to now go back, scroll down all the way, then tap on app details in storage section. Now you'll be taken to Google Play Store and you'll be able to find an option of update right here. In my case it's an option of open because I have already updated it to the latest version, but you'll have to tap on update to update it, and you'll be able to get all the latest features and updates in your app, and you'll be good to go. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.